none at all whatsoever. I am greatly apologizing to all Trinidadians that live around the world. That
viewers and subscriber blessings once again. You know who it is, Zooskull there from Zooskull Entertainment. Viewers and subscriber right now there. And we talk about Beenie Man. At the first, we're not supposed to see me all talk about them topic here, cause you know my channel is all about entertainment still, but certain things we not follow it up, you see me? Yeah, man. So what me was saying now, viewers and subscriber, me have to come and talk about this. You see me? Beenie Man have to apologize to the whole Trinidadian. You see me? Yeah, man, you have to apologize to Trinidad, man. So you have viewers and subscriber, we have that where me gonna see what I want. So stick around for that video. You see me? Yeah, man, because you know the thing going to cause from all the year, just be things Beenie Man are going with. You see me? Everybody there on the media see what I want. But you know what, before you see that video, just listen what the brother have to say. Next me I make you hear what I want, what Beenie Man apology have to say. You see me? Yeah, man.
Jamaican dancehall artist Beenie Man said that though doubles is nice, he doesn't eat it because stray dogs don't eat it. During a podcast, Beenie Man was asked which Caribbean island was the best apart from Jamaica. Beenie Man answered, "I love Trinidad." With the mention of Trinidad, Beenie Man was asked if he eats the popular street food, doubles. Beenie Man answered, "I love Trinidad but I don't eat doubles because dogs don't eat doubles. And I don't eat anything that dogs don't eat." He mentioned that he tried doubles 2 or 3 times, but he threw the doubles for a dog and the dog didn't eat it. He said dogs eat chicken, dogs eat fish, dogs eat dumpling, but the dog didn't eat doubles. I ain't gonna lie, Beenie Man is a disrespectful kind of fella. But since you gave your 2 cents on our culture, I will give my 2 cents on yours. Right, Beenie Man? Just because you name a song King of Dancehall, that doesn't mean you're the King of Dancehall. Right? We all know the King of Dancehall is a DJ Palmer Vibes Cartel. And for some reason, since Cartel come out of prison, you just crashing out. And it ain't looking good. And I don't know what Beenie Man talking about because my dog does eat doubles very good. Once it didn't have too much pepper. And Beenie Man, since you want to equate yourself to a dog, even though I don't like it, my dog just drink toilet water. You just do the same? Since a dog had the highest level of understanding. I want you to answer that for me. Or you gonna let me know what you all think about Beenie Man's disrespectful comments. And because Beenie Man's so confused on who the real King of Dancehall is, all you gonna let him know, is it Vybz Kartel, Sean Paul, or the dog whisperer Beenie Man? All you gonna let me know in the comments.
So viewers and subscriber, this is what we are talking about, you see? Cause this is what Beenie Man I get attacked for. Cause in this one of the most popular street food in Trinidad. You see me? Yeah, man. This a food that anywhere in Trinidad they go up on the street, there is always a corner with it. You see me? And that Beenie Man I get beaten for. You see me? So you have to come out and apologize. You see it, viewers and subscribers, cause it's a whole heap of thing Beenie Man I go on with, you know. You see me? But we there, if you make you hear the apology, what Beenie Man have to say, you see me? But if you reach it this far, in the video, just please remember, leave a like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a family, tell a friend, says Zooskull Entertainment out so, I do it till the end. You see me? You know the thing go. That is it. Clock is quick. I'm out.
Trinidad, I just want to know, say, all of the people them from Trinidad who say that I disrespect Trinidad. I never disrespect Trinidad. It's like you ask just that for me pork. Alright? I try to eat the doubles. And then me eat the doubles that I did. That seriously I did. All the doubles people them can tell us say I did. But when we go some boom and choke the thing for the dog them don't eat it. It's not a disrespect to Trinidad. None at all whatsoever. None at all whatsoever. I am greatly apologizing to all Trinidadians that live around the world that eat doubles. When we say it was a joke, but when Unu say it in a sound jokeful. So I just want to know, say, I nah disrespect no Trinidadian, none at all, never. I will never ever do that. That Trinidad is my country. When we go, even when I have nothing to do, I just buy a ticket and go to Trinidad. Yeah, all carnival me there at Trinidad. Bravo, one of my best friends in the world. See it? So you have to know these things. Where a man talks say, for him art is not really means that him decide for hurt people. See it? All opinion you have to keep it to yourself. So I should have keep my opinion to myself. You shouldn't even put it on TV. I apologize. I really sincerely sorry about that if I hurt anybody. See it? I'm not here to offend my fans. I'm not here to offend anybody. I'm not here to offend the people that support the music. I'm not here to offend the people that support Trinidad. I am sorry. Very sorry. Very, one more very funny. Very sorry. I will never hear that again from me. I will never do that again. It will never happen again. And nothing like that will never come from my mouth but about doubles. Because them sell doubles and triples. And all the people them sell doubles from the corner and sell triples from the corner. We now mash up on the business. It's just no disrespect. Alright, yeah.
Yeah, man, them not the only boss, man.
Hear me, I said I'm on a Tarsing, come here represent for Zooskull Entertainment. Dark as midnight.
Zooskull Entertainment. Mark we mark them. Them no bad like none of we dog them.
I saw the damn thing tough. Hear me, na Zooskull Entertainment.